ensures clean sound transmission, reduces noise, improves recording clarity, maintains signal integrity, and enhances overall professional studio audio performance quality. My today's video is about top 5 best audio cables for studio recording that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at U-Green USB-B to USB-C 6-foot printer cable. This USB-C to USB-B printer and MIDI cable is a versatile and essential tool for both office and studio environments. It allows seamless connection between modern Type-C devices like MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy, and traditional USB-B equipment such as printers, scanners, MIDI keyboards, DACs, DJ controllers, and audio interfaces. With true plug-and-play functionality, no drivers are required, making setup quick and hassle-free. Delivering high-speed data transfer up to 480 megabits per second ensures smooth and stable syncing, far more reliable than wireless connections. The triple shielding and anti-EMI design effectively reduce noise and interference, guaranteeing clear, lossless printing and accurate audio signal transmission. Built for durability, the nylon-braided jacket, reinforced strain relief, and aluminum housing allow over 3,000-plus bends, making it highly long-lasting. Whether for professional music production or everyday printing tasks, this cable offers dependable performance, wide compatibility, and excellent durability in one compact solution. Now our second product is Amazon Basics XLR male to female microphone cable. This 6-foot XLR male to female microphone cable is a reliable choice for both studio recording and live sound applications. Designed for XLR-compatible PA systems, speakers, microphones, and professional audio gear, it ensures stable and consistent connectivity in any setup. The cable delivers clear audio transmission thanks to its all-copper conductors combined with inner copper spiral shielding, effectively minimizing unwanted noise, hum, and signal interference. This results in cleaner, more accurate sound reproduction, which is essential for vocals and instruments. Built with durability in mind, it features zinc alloy 3-pin connectors with nickel plating for strong, corrosion-resistant connections. The protective metal housing adds extra strength, while the flexible 6.0mm PVC jacket allows easy handling and resistance to wear during frequent use. Whether used in a recording studio or on stage, this XLR cable offers dependable performance, long-lasting durability, and professional-grade sound quality for serious audio setups. Our third product is Newbie Guitar Cable 10 feet. This Newbie guitar cable is a solid choice for musicians seeking low-noise, high-fidelity sound performance. Built with 22 AWG oxygen-free copper center conductors, it ensures strong and efficient signal transfer, preserving the natural tone of your instrument. The PVC insulation combined with high-density stranded copper double shielding effectively reduces unwanted noise and interference, delivering clean and stable audio even in demanding environments. Designed with practicality in mind, it features 1/4 straight and right-angle metal connectors that provide a secure and reliable fit for guitars, basses, pedals, and amplifiers. The L-shaped connector is especially useful for stage setups and tight spaces, helping prevent cable strain during performances. Highly versatile, it is compatible with a wide range of audio equipment including mixers, equalizers, microphones, electric instruments, and home audio systems. Its flexible design also makes handling and storage easy, while allowing quick disassembly for repairs if needed. Overall, it's a dependable, professional-grade cable for studio and stage use. Now number 4, Cable Creation USB-B to USB-C printer cable 6.6 feet. This USB-C to USB-B printer and MIDI cable is a highly practical solution for connecting modern USB-C devices with legacy USB-B equipment. It enables seamless compatibility between laptops like MacBook Pro, Surface Book 2, Chromebook, Dell XPS, and peripherals such as printers, scanners, MIDI keyboards, Yamaha/Casio digital pianos, and other professional audio gear. With USB 2.0 high-speed transfer up to 480 megabits per second, it delivers fast, stable, and reliable data syncing that outperforms wireless connections in consistency. The gold-plated connectors ensure excellent contact efficiency, while the fully shielded PVC construction minimizes EMI/RFI interference for clean signal transmission. Designed for plug-and-play convenience, it requires no driver installation, making setup quick and simple. However, device drivers may still be needed for certain printers or scanners. The reversible USB-C connector adds ease of use, and its durable build ensures long-term reliability. Overall, this cable offers wide compatibility, stable performance, and dependable connectivity for both office and music production environments. And our last choice is Van de Salel XLR cables. This XLR microphone cable is built for professional-grade audio performance, offering exceptional clarity and durability for studio and live sound environments. Constructed with 100% 24 AWG oxygen-free copper conductors and dual shielding, foil plus 90% braided copper, it effectively blocks external interference, delivering clean hi-fi sound with no hum, hiss, or distortion. This ensures accurate and undisturbed signal transmission, ideal for vocals and instruments. The nylon braided exterior adds impressive flexibility and strength, withstanding over 20,000 bends while remaining tangle-free and wear-resistant. Heavy-duty metal connectors with molded strain relief and chuck-style locking ensure a secure, stable connection, while tin-plated pins enhance conductivity and resist corrosion for long-term reliability. Highly versatile, it supports a wide range of professional equipment, including microphones, mixers, preamps, stage systems, and home theater setups. Compatible with popular microphones like Shure SM58, SM7B, Audio-Technica series, and Fifine models, it fits both beginner and professional setups. Available in multiple lengths and offered in a cost-effective 2-pack, this cable provides excellent value, durability, and studio-quality sound performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.